Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello. Hi. Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is all about ideas signing in. And I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful crochet flower design and ideas for you guys. So viewers, thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. So viewers, these are very stunning and very beautiful crochet ideas for you guys. Hope so guys you like this video. You guys also watch different other videos on my channel about different craft work. So viewers, keep supporting my channel and keep watching my videos. These are super incredible and very beautiful crochet ideas for you guys. So viewers, always think positive, always be positive. These are super incredible crochet ideas for you guys. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.